Hey everybody, I'm finally getting to do these homework help videos. I'm sorry, it's been kind of a chaotic day. So I wanted to help you out with 6-112 on CPM because I feel like this one has been causing the most trouble, and I'm having to return a lot of assignments so far because some things are missing or the perimeter was done incorrectly. So I'm going to quickly go through the tiles really quick, and then I'm going to show you another example of finding the perimeter. So one thing that I'm seeing a lot of you do is on your x squared tiles, if you used an x squared tile, you're labeling the perimeter x squared on every side. And that is incorrect because if you remember from class, the x squared, this was the area. And we find area by doing base times height. And so x squared represents the area of the tile. So that's the base of the tile times the height. So that means that our base and height are actually just x. So if you remember in class, we took the x tiles and we lined them up perfectly next to the x squared tile and said that those sides are related. So when you're drawing an x squared tile, just make sure that all the side lengths are just x, okay? Then the second kind of tile that we have is the x tile. And remember, again, x is just the area, and that's base times height. So our base is x, and our height is 1. And then this side is x and 1. And then our last tile is the unit tile where it's just 1 all the way around. So that's the first thing that I wanted to double check with you guys. The second is, again, if you have a shape where, let's say we have an x squared tile and an x, and maybe we'll do another x here, and then a unit, just make sure that you're accounting for any overlap. So when we're going around, the top is going to be x here because we know from the perimeter of this shape that all the side lengths are x, except we're not going to count this side because it's not part of the perimeter. It's inside the shape. So then continuing to go around, this side is 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1 all the way around. And then this side, remember, is the weird side because it's got the overlap with the unit tile. So this would be x minus 1. So then when you add the perimeter all together, you just need to make sure to add in x minus 1 for one of those sides. A lot of you are challenging yourselves, which is really good. And I'm seeing some really great work. Like some of you have taken a unit tile and added a second one on the side. And then you've actually caught that this length right here is going to be x minus 2 because you have 2 units that are overlapping. And then your side lengths there. So great job on that. So just to show you, if we were going to add up the total perimeter, this would be x plus x plus x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus x minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So let me make sure I got enough ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay. And so this is what I was looking for with the homework, with you adding up all of those sides, and then you're going to simplify it. So we have 4x plus 8 minus those 2. So then we would have 4x plus 6 as our perimeter. And you can't even see that because it's being blocked. There we go. Okay, so that's what I was really, really looking for in your homework. If I didn't see that or you were off a little bit, then I returned it. So if you haven't submitted it yet, make sure that you just go back, double check, make sure that you added up the perimeter correctly. And then the very last step is to substitute 5 for x. So what you would do here is just put in a 5 since we have the x there. So then this would be 4 times 5 is 20 plus 6 equals 26. Again, if you have any questions, set up a Calendly with me and I will help you through that. But I hope that this helped a little bit and helped clear some things up. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will be setting up our Google Meet for our class tomorrow. So have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys. If I can close this. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with this right now. Okay, bye.